Thanks again for tuning in as we are tracking inland strong storms across southwest Florida. Number of lightning strikes past 15 minutes, just shy of 400 as we have slow moving storms in Northport. And look at the lightning, the heavy rain. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a quick 1 to even 2 inches of rain if that storm doesn't start to move. Also more pop-up storms into inland Charlotte County, just east of Tropical Gulf Acres, right along State Road 31 and just north of Babcock Ranch. Look at all the electricity, the lightning total going up. We have some pretty small and individual downpours into Lee County. That includes San Carlos Park, Southwest Florida International, all the way towards Bonita National, and especially the eastern half of Bonita Springs. But man, a rough go of it. Look at this time lapse. Boom, all the lightning, dangerous storm, specifically around, these are some of the local points, Citrus Center and mainly towards Banyan Village, right along 80. Frequent, dangerous lightning. Please try to get indoors if you haven't done so already. Areas of rainfall southwest of Clewiston and more nasty weather into the southern half of Hendry County. Now let's go 900 miles to our west as we are watching a quickly developing tropical system. This is Francine, the wind field about 300 miles wide in diameter, shaded in yellow. That's the tropical storm force wind. And because of the expectation of this strengthening into a hurricane warning is in effect for southern and coastal areas of Louisiana. So here is the storm. Thankfully, right out of the gate, I'll just tell you right now, this is a non-factor for us. Louisiana, they will be feeling every bit of Francine into Wednesday. The National Hurricane Center also bumped up their landfall forecast from an 85 Cat 1 to now a 100 Category 2. And the models have been clustering basically around Pecan Island all the way towards Cameron, if not just east. And that is reflected in the National Hurricane Center cone. And look at the evolution of this storm by Wednesday morning, the well-defined eye and eye wall right before it makes its approach. Life-threatening storm surge expected for that part of the coast, upwards of 5 to 10 feet. We also have two other areas that we're watching. Invest 92L, these are the model plots as we go into time. And what we can gather from all the current activity in the tropics is that we will have no immediate issues here in southwest Florida. And let's keep that going as long as we can. 70s, 80s, and 90s right now with scattered storms this evening. Even towards 10 o'clock, some of that will try to hang around and then weakening as we approach midnight and beyond into the start of tomorrow morning. Patchy fog, partly cloudy with lows in the mid to upper 70s to near 80. Lower to middle 90s for tomorrow with more scattered showers and storms. So we start tomorrow morning quiet, few showers by lunchtime, and then once we hit about 2, 3, 4, and 5, there's a look at areas of rain flaring up. And I do believe we have the potential for showers and storms not only before sunset, but look at how after sunset when it's dark, lingering areas of rain. Rain chances over the next couple of days remain scattered, comes down a touch by this weekend, but still we will have the opportunity for scattered storms. Lower 90s, chances for rain and more humidity looking ahead to this brand new work week and all the way towards next week too.